The concept of space is insane. The fact that there is so much we haven't even discovered yet in outer space is enough to blow anyone's mind. A very warm and exuberant morning to everyone present over here, respected Vice Chancellor Sir, our notable speakers, our all honorable dignitaries, our beloved teachers, and our dear audience. We, the students of RGPV, welcome you to the workshop on design and development of nanosatellites, which has been sponsored by TechCube 3.
To begin our workshop, I would like to call Paridhi to sing Saraswati Vanna in her melodious voice. Also, I would like to call Vice Chancellor Sir, R.K. Rajangam Sir, Anand Murthy Sir, Dr. Sanjay K. Sharma Sir, M. Venkatos Sir to light the holy lamp.
या कुंदेन्दु तुषार हार धवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रामृता या वीणा वरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्कर प्रभृतिभिर्देवै सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निशेषजाड्यापः निशेषजाड्यापः निशेषजाड्यापः.
Thank you, Paridhi. That was indeed a mesmerizing performance.
Scientists are the bearers of the torch of discovery in our quest for knowledge. We, engineers, have always been fascinated by the fact of what lies beyond the sky. And here we are thrilled and excited to have this opportunity to learn and discover the intricacies of science from the very best.
Now, I would like to call Dr. Sanjay K. Sharma Sir to welcome Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir with a bouquet of flowers. Now, I would request our Vice Chancellor Sir to facilitate our speakers. Mr. R.K. Ranjangam Sir. Anand Murthy Sir. M. Venkata Rao Sir. M.V. Kannan Sir. Anesji Barve Sir. Now, I would like to call Dr. Sanjay K. Sharma Sir, our faculty coordinator, to kindly give us an overview of the workshop.
Namaskar and very special good morning to all present over here. As a faculty of the workshop, I welcome Honorable Vice Chancellor, our Registrar, Professor S.S. Kushwaha, and the scientists. Those have been retired by the government of India, but not by the heart. and not by the knowledge. So we have the President of Planet Aerospace, Dr. R.K. Rajangam. Then we have M. Venkata Rao from Planet Aerospace, Mr. A. Bokil, Mr. Barve, then Mr. Vice Chancellor has a mission or vision, we can say, to launch one nano satellite from the RGPB. So in that coordination, we have got very good people, or we can say the experienced people, those have put their SRO, and from the Aryabhat to Chandrayaan, they have worked. So it is a great opportunity to all of us to get something at least from these people who have put their entire career with the ISRO and involved in many satellite design and the launching. Second thing, today I congratulate every one of us that UNESCO has declared today as a World Engineering Day. So I doubt whether UNESCO was waiting for me to announce the date or it is a coincidence. So it is a great that everyone throughout the world is celebrating our inauguration by celebrating the World Engineering Day. Second thing, one more during these days of the workshop, tomorrow is the launching of one satellite. So it is again coincidence, and if our Vice Chancellor permits, then we will give the live telecast of the launching of the satellite at the 5:30 tomorrow evening. So it is an opportunity for all of us to have the live telecast of the satellite. I will conclude with two of my bad habits. That is, one is learning attitude and creating my own path. So the conduction of workshop is the result of my two bad habits and the constant and continuous support from the Vice Chancellor and the Technical Coordinator, Professor S.C. Chobe. And the success of this workshop will lie with you. So how much you can grasp and how much you can learn, that is a success for the university and for the whole program. So I thank all of you to be presenting this program, and I welcome again. Thank you.
Thank you for your motivating words, sir. Our Vice Chancellor, Professor Sunil Gupta sir, has always found new ways to motivate the students to excel in various fields. And this time also, it was his sincere efforts that we got an opportunity to meet these veteran scientists all the way from ISRO Bangalore. This workshop is a kickstart to the dream Sir has for his students to design a nano satellite, and we are sure with his continuous efforts
Enable guidance, along with able mentorship from highly skilled scientists from ISRO, the project would surely reach a successful completion. We request you, sir, to come upon dais and enlighten the students with your inspiring words.
Dr. R.K. Rajangam sir, who is also the president of the whole group. B.R. Anand Murthy sir, who is course coordinator for this particular workshop. Team members, Bokil ji, Venkata Rao ji, Barve ji, and other members. Course coordinator or faculty coordinator Sanjay Sharma ji, our registrar Kushwaha ji, other faculty members who are present here, and all dear students. Namaskar. इसरो की स्थापना 1969 में हुई और मुझे वो दिन याद है कि बिफोर आई वाज जॉइनिंग हियर आई हैड एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू विजिट कॉलेज ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग पुणे and one another institute, I don't remember the name, and there उन्होंने क्या किया था कि जो एक सैटेलाइट छोड़ा था, स्टूडेंट सैटेलाइट, उन्होंने उसको गेट पर डिस्प्ले कर रखा था. And proudly they had announced this, that this is the satellite launched by this particular institution and likewise. And on that particular day when I became vice chancellor, I was in that mood कि RGPV का भी एक satellite होना चाहिए. And on very same day I had announced that कि we will plan to launch a nano satellite from the RGPV itself. From that day we were planning for this particular workshop, and finally you people are here and the journey has started for the same. So I am committed for the same. इसरो के बारे में आपने शायद एक बात सुनी होगी कि जब इन्होंने मंगल यान भेजा था तो बेंगलोर में जो ऑटो रिक्शा का रेट चल रहा था वो 10 रुपये किलोमीटर चल रहा था. तो इन्होंने तय किया था कि ऑटो रिक्शा के रेट से कम में हमको मंगलयान पहुंचाना है. और तो वाइस वर्सा भी हो सकता है कि बजट शायद इतना कम रहा हो कि दे हैड टू मेक दिस मिशन सक्सेसफुल इन दैट पर्टिकुलर बजट. क्योंकि मंगल मिशन करके एक फिल्म भी आई है, सो यू कुड हैव सीन दैट फिल्म, एंड आपने वहाँ देखा होगा कि बजटरी कंस्ट्रेंट्स वर देयर. फाइनली जो डिस्टेंस है मंगल और पृथ्वी के बीच में, और उसको जब आप डिवाइड करें जो टोटल खर्च आता है वो 7 रुपये किलोमीटर आता है. सो इट वॉज लोअर देन एन ऑटो रिक्शा चार्जेस एट बेंगलोर. तो आप मंगल की यात्रा ज़्यादा सस्ते में कर सकते हैं एज कम्पेयर टू यूजिंग एन ऑटो इन बेंगलोर. इनसे जुड़ी हुई बहुत छोटी छोटी सी कहानियाँ, लेकिन इतनी मार्मिक, इतनी हृदय स्पर्शी हैं कि समटाइम you have no words for the people who have worked with for ISRO. This is the one organization as far as the engineering and sciences are concerned जिसने कि पूरी दुनिया में हमारा सिर ऊंचा किया है. चाहे वो चंद्रयान या चंद्रमा पे अपना झंडा पहुंचाना हो, या फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में मंगल मिशन को कंप्लीट करना हो, या फिर if you remember in 2017 ISRO was successful in launching 104 satellites through single PSLV, and out of which 96 satellites were from USA only. तो या तो USA का भरोसा कह लें या हमारी जो बस चलाने की तरीके देख लें, क्योंकि हमारे बस में भी अगर 50 सीटें होती हैं तो हम 125 तक बुंदेलखंड में चलाते हैं. So they know it better कि अगर भाई ठीक है 5 जा सकते हैं, 10 जा सकते हैं, 50 जा सकते हैं, तो 104 भी जा सकते हैं. हो सकता है भविष्य में 200-250 भी चले जाएं, जिसमें एक RGPV का भी नैनो सैटेलाइट होगा. इससे ये भी संभावना लगती है कि अगर बहुत इसरो मना भी करेगा तो भी हम लोग कहीं लटक सकते हैं. लेकिन as far as the serious discussion which took place yesterday, so as per the plan, overall 20 people will be associated with this particular project. 16 will be from undergraduate level, 2 from MTech, and 2 PhD students will be associated with this whole project. After this particular workshop, we will be having one examination as well as interviews, and through that process, we will be selecting 16 undergraduate students. After this workshop, there will be 1 month intensive internship for that particular group only. And before entering to that internship program, we will be having another round of say competition, wherein you people will have to suggest the application or the objective of our nano satellite, because the type or kind of payload which we will be having is very critical as far as the adoption of same by the ISRO. Even the scientists have suggested us that if the idea clicks with the ISRO, the whole expenditure will be taken care by the ISRO people itself. Otherwise, it will be costing around 1 crore to rupees 2 crore for launching a nano satellite. And university is more than willing to spend this much money on you. So the funding of this particular project is not a big issue. We are more than ready to pay this much price if this changes the life of the students. This whole business of launching satellite has become an international business, and newer opportunities are coming up in this particular area. So you can have global opportunities, as well as you can have an international career if you pursue with your, जितना वो कहते हैं ना सिद्दत से जो काम करेंगे, तो that kind of सिद्दत is required for pursuing this kind of adventure. I am saying this adventure because recently, if you remember, अभी हमारा एक मिशन फेल हुआ था, और वो भी just about 2 or 3 kilometers above the surface वो फेल्योर हुआ था. उसको सबने देखा भी था. Everybody had seen that in at our television. और वहाँ पर हमने इसरो चेयरमैन को रोते हुए भी देखा था. And not only the ISRO chairman was weeping, the whole team was weeping like anything. And even myself having tears at that particular time. And my wife asked me कि भाई आप बैठे बैठे ये आपके आंसू क्यों निकल रहे हैं? And I was seeing the TV at that particular time. तो मैंने कहा मेरे आंसू इसलिए नहीं निकल रहे कि वो प्रोजेक्ट फेल हो गया है. मैं जो स्पिरिट देख रहा हूँ, being chairman of ISRO, he is weeping like anything, and the whole team is weeping. उनमें से कुछ लोगों ने महीनों महीनों भर से सोए नहीं थे. They were working whole day and night. तो इस तरह से जब आप अपनों सपनों को जीते हैं और कुछ कर गुजरने की तमन्ना रखते हैं, तभी इस तरह के रिजल्ट्स भी आते हैं. और कल ये भी हम लोग चर्चा कर रहे थे कि फेल्योर्स ज़्यादा लर्निंग लाता है आपके लिए. अगर आप फर्स्ट टाइम में सक्सेसफुल हो जाते हैं तो कई गलतियां छुप जाती हैं, बट व्हेन यू फेल देन यू एनालाइज ईच एंड एवरीथिंग, एंड देन ओनली यू कम टू नो कि दीज थिंग्स यू हैव टू इम्प्रूव अपॉन. सो इज़ दीज काइंड ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट्स. जब प्रोजेक्ट बेस्ड लर्निंग मोड में हम जाते हैं तो जो गलतियां आप करते हैं, जब आप फेल्योर होते हैं, तब आपको ज़्यादा लर्निंग्स देते हैं, ज़्यादा आपको मैच्योर बनाते हैं, ज़्यादा बेहतर इंजीनियर बनाते हैं. This is a great news given by Sanjay Sharma ji that UNESCO has declared this particular day as World Engineering Day, and on this particular day we are starting this workshop with a mission that within 2 years we will be launching our nano satellite. So this will be a time-bound program, and I hope you will be attending this whole workshop for next 3 days very sincerely, very serious mode, asking each and everything, because after that we will be having one examination, and through that examination we will be selecting a team to take further this mission of nano satellite of RGP. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your motivating words. We have all grown up listening to the stories of Sir Vikram Sarabhai, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and many more. And for us, they were the real heroes, the one we would always look up to.
Pride Indians have in their eyes when they hear about GPSLV, Chandrayaan-1, Chandrayaan-2, Mangalyaan is worth mentioning. ISRO since 1969 has always lived up to their motto,
मानव जाति की सेवा में अंतरिक्ष प्रौद्योगिकी. And here we are thrilled and excited to have amongst us the stars of ISRO.
The world beyond horizon has always mesmerized all of us and has left us with the questions of hows and whats. So now I would like to request Mr. R.K. Ranjangam, sir, President of Aerospace, to enlighten us with his words of wisdom.
Ours is the association of the retired professionals from ISRO, called Planet Aerospace. What we thought is, even though I was telling yesterday you were busy, that Government of India tells that after the date has come that you are unfit to be in the job, that you can retire. The previous day you were somebody, the next day you were nobody. But nevertheless, we joined together and we decided, just because of the age doesn't mean that you lose everything. So we joined together and then tried to do something for the what we can give back to the country, what we have brought. Then like-minded people we discussed, and then we worked out an association, and to imparting imparting the knowledge. How do you transfer the knowledge to the people, younger people? After all, the population of this in the Indian country, 35 to 45% are youth. So the entire country depends on the youth of the country. So how to give back the knowledge? So we thought we'll organize this kind of a workshop and make people to be aware of the space technology and then what are the nuances of that, what are the applications, and what are the challenges which we have to face. So this is the background with which we started, and we got a good response. This is the fifth or sixth such workshop we are giving to the university, and the response I would say that from the students are outstanding, phenomenal response from the people. So I was looking forward to have a gathering of about some 100. Now I see Professor Sharma told me that there is going to be 250, they have to stop the registration. So that I was totally taken aback, such an amount of excitement and enthusiasm shown by the youth. So I am not sure that we'll be able to reciprocate it in the way in whatever the expectations put on us, we'll be able to give back in our workshop. But nevertheless, now I would like to thank your VC. He is such man of fast action. Yesterday only we met. In your casual discussion, he was trying to tell that they have an aspiration to make a satellite. Then we were discussing about that. But by the time we had realized that he has already announced the project, which normally Government of India takes so much time to announce the project. He has announced the project, the methodology, the procedure, how to go about that, everything he has told in a nutshell. I should congratulate him, and I hope all the students of you will try to rise to his expectations so that you meet the demands. So my hearty congratulations to the VC for his outstanding thought vision on what to do for the RGPV. Now coming to the next point is, now our interaction is, I would see the persistence with which you people work. You should have glad to have a professor like Professor Sharma. Way back in about 9 months back, we met during another this kind of interaction of a university in Bangalore. And he was suggesting that could you have a program in Bhopal? Would you be able to come to Bhopal, or will you be interested only in Bangalore around? He said, we are imparting knowledge, wherever we have to travel, we will travel. So we have no inhibition. Then he said, whatever the package is given for the 3 days package, we would like to have it in our campus. We said, okay. Then after that, he had a lot of difficulty. We also in response, because I know the procedure, the academic background, and then your other aspects. It takes a lot of time to convince. First and foremost, he has to convince the management that is very good program. The program is worth doing it, and you have such an outstanding, such a vision VC is able to make it realizable. So within 8 months, we could realize that. So I am glad that I should congratulate Dr. Sharma for his vision, for his initiative and persistence in making this happen. So I should like to compliment Mr. Sharma ji also on that. If not least, as I said, we have a gathering of the retired scientists. So our aspirations, our way of working, our way of thinking is totally different. So it is my job to pool the resources and make it happen like a workable package. We have to readily make it available. So we have a team, our executive committee, we think it over how to go about that. Because it's very difficult for an individual to be available, because they have their own passion. After retirement, they have to, generally it is not a joke that somebody will be going for abroad 3 months, 4 months. My vice president was quite often used to travel abroad. So they have their own commitments. So we have to, within the constraint of the availability of the expertise, and we have to form a package. We try to make the best out of the package. And I should thank Mr. Venkatrao for organizing this kind of a program so that he's able to do it. Venkatrao and Anandamurthy worked out a very nice package program so that we are able to make it really. I should like to thank them also. So with this small introduction, I don't want to take much of your time. I wish you best of luck for your program. And we are always available for doing hand-holding for your satellite vision. So you can always bank upon us. Anytime if you have a problem, all our email IDs are with your Professor Sharma. You can contact individually, we will respond. Planetary Space is always available to support your vision. Thank you very much.